Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day today. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I recently picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at a collaboration from UnionLA and Nike which lands on an AJKO. This shoe had a general release date of February 2nd, 2023 at a retail price of $150. Union pays homage to the AJKO Low with this release in two separate colorways. This is the Muslin color, and it also came out in a canvas white neutral gray colorway. Chris Gibbs wanted to create an instant classic look that can be worn every day. The light pebbled leather upper features a removable swoosh in two separate colors, including this navy and a mint green. A small UnionLA tag adorns the side profile and is seen once again in a repeating pattern when you remove the swoosh. The yellowed midsole gives the shoe a vintage look. As far as resale value, it's not too crazy, especially for a Union collab. Retail was $150 and resale is anywhere from $160 to $200. This shoe is very wearable and it would match pretty much anything. I personally like this pair over the canvas pair. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.